When you start using AI tools, everything becomes powerful, but also messy. Multiple outputs, multiple IDs, multiple directions, and everything gets mixed. By the end of this series, we will build a solid and flexible system that uses Git. Fully owned and fully flexible, it is not a Git tutorial hell, but how I simplified the commands for anyone working on any project to be able to have a strong professional-like system. What happens when you want to try something new, but you're afraid to break your work? This is where most people hesitate. In this video, you'll learn how to experiment safely without ever losing your main version. Kenji wants to try a new ID, but he doesn't want to break his report. This is where most people hesitate. So let's see Kenji's workspace. We got this sales report. So we're using here sales report. We're going to create a marketing report on top of that. So it could be also you writing your book and having different parts of the book, chapters, git add and commit. And now we're going to go into the branching. This creates a new path, a safe space to experiment. So we're going to use the command git switch c Kenji review. We check the branches, and now we have main and Kenji review. The star shows where we are positioned at the moment. So let me, in this branch, add a version, a new version of marketing report. I'm going to commit it, so add it and commit. I'm switching back to the main, git switch main. So the -c was to create at the same time the branch. Your main project is untouched, as you see. So here we can, in the main branch, add another sentence to the marketing report and commit it. So now we have two different branches with two different versions. So we get a conflict when we want to merge the Kenji's review to the main. We're going to bring that work. A conflict happens when two versions change the same area. Git cannot decide, so you have to decide. So let's see this file. Let's see what's its content. So I'm already in the right folder. I'm just going to cut it, and here you can see Git has added some information. We're on the main branch. That's the head. This is the version which is on the main branch. And on the Kenji review branch, we have the second version here, this sentence. And this shows you that's what is in that branch. And in the middle, there is a separator. So we're going to go inside this marketing report, and we're going to choose which version we want. We can add also sentences. I'm going to keep the Kenji's reviews version. I'm going to break it down and add the June forecasted budget. Git add, git commit. And you add your little message. And let's check the history now. How is it? So now we can clearly see that there is a branch that has been created with an history of commits. and the head has moved to the main branch, and we have merged the latest Kenji's review branch commit to the main. So this is how you can create your own space. Now you have a strong local system, but everything is still only on your machine. In the next video, we move to ownership. You will run your own Git server. Part 4. Own your Git. Build your private sovereign server. I'll see you in the next.